There's only one, there's only one. It's only one, just only one, just.
Hey you guys, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. So you know what time it is. It's wig time. I'm over here looking like bald-headed Betty, but I've had these braids in my hair for so long that I'm just so used to seeing my head like this. Like, I look like a Ninja Turtle when I take my scarf off, and I'm okay with that. I kind of like the look, you know? We're gonna get into it. Today's wig is brought to you by Nadula Hair. I have worked with them a few times before. They like this so much, they did the wraparound. They did the wraparound, and I couldn't be more excited because we've got another colored wig, you guys. Let's just get into it. Hold on, let's just get into it. So, here's the box that it comes in. You know, you gotta do the TikTok sounds, the box that it comes in. Y'all, my nail's not done, but I'm giving my nails a little bit of a... Okay, cool. So, Nadula Hair always blesses me up. Got me a headband, wig cap, lashes, little makeup brush, and an extra band as well. So, thank you very much. So, let's get on into this wig, y'all. I'm sure you guys can guess what color we went with. Because, look, I know it's just about Christmas time, you know, Thanksgiving, Black Friday, all that, but it's still fall, okay? So we're going with a fall color. Let's take her out. Oh, she's so pretty, I can already see. I'm about to act up, Oh, I can tell the lace is already cut. I love when the lace is already cut. All right, here she is, y'all. Oh, this is my first time seeing it out of the bag. Oh my goodness, you're beautiful. You are everything I hoped or everything I need. You are so beautiful. Look at this color. You are stunning. This color on my skin tone. Plenty of parting space. Plenty of parting space. And we could do a side part. I know I'm a middle part girly and it already comes in the middle part. So, you know, less work for me if I just wear it in the middle part. But you got options. Plenty of option space right here. Let's get into these knots. What knots? So this is a part of their Bye Bye Knots collection. And it's a wear and go wig. Look at this curl pattern. Come on, get into it. I'm gonna leave all the information on the screen and in the description box of this exact wig, so you can just click the link and go straight to it. So let's give the Bye Bye Knots wig a chance on my head. So it does have 2 combs and a band in the back for extra security. Okay, girl. This isn't the final destination. Hold on. There we go. Okay. Oh, this color! Woo! Okay, so obviously I wouldn't wear it straight out like this. I just wanted to see how it felt on my head, and it's nice and snug. So you can definitely wear this as a glueless wig. It doesn't necessarily need any glue on the top. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my normal routine. Like, I'm going to use my contour palette to put it on the lace and on the inside of the cap. And then I'm just gonna style my hair with water and mousse. And then that's really it. These wear and go wigs are so easy. If anyone takes videos of these wigs and the video is 15 minutes long, it's cap, or they're just doing too much, because these are just so easy. It's 2 steps. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that really quick. You guys can watch me, and then I'll be back to talk to you about all the details. So I decided to put some spray on there. I live by the spray. I always say it's much better than glue. When I first started doing wigs, which was literally like 2 months ago, I was using glue, but this strand right here, this Even, whatever, the lace spray, adhesive spray is going to save your edges every time. So now we're gonna make this wig look like it's something, because straight out the box, it's not quite ready for the world yet, okay? So I think I'm gonna push this a little bit further back. Or should I do a side part? Let's do the side part. Let's do a deep side. Am I a deep side girly right now? Wait, we might have to... Okay, sorry, I'm getting too excited. We might have to hit the deep side part. I can't even lie to you. Is this giving? I mean, the middle part is undefeated, but sometimes the side part really hits. So I think we're gonna do side part vibes today. Yeah, let's do something different. Okay, so something I wanna let y'all know. If you wanna change your part from like a middle part that, you know, obviously like naturally comes with, and you wanna turn it to a side part, but you notice that it's kind of like not laying flat, handy dandy hot comb. It's gonna, every time. Alright, so I went ahead and curled this side off camera. Look how beautiful! Pretty curls. Just the comparison between the curls being styled and the curls not styled. Both sides beautiful, don't get me wrong. If you're one of the girls who like to wear it nice and just like big and frizzy, because usually by the time I end up curling my hair perfectly uniform, I'll take a blow dryer and a pick to it and making it end up look just like this anyway. But I gotta do the steps every time. So I ended up using holding gel by some African Pride holding gel, and then I am following up with some foam mousse because I just feel like the foam mousse wasn't really holding the curls very well. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do this side and we will see how it's looking. Very pretty. This side is drying up a little bit, so you'll see what it's actually gonna look like, because you know, wet hair versus dry hair always looks a little bit different. So this side is shrinking up a little bit, but I'm going to let it dry a little bit more and then I'm going to diffuse it. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and put my little face on so that you guys can get the full picture of all the glory that is in this wig. So I'll be right back. All right, so the hair is about, it's like 90% dry. I just went ahead and diffused it, which I showed you guys. So now we can go ahead and take this off. This has to be melted. It's been on my head for like an hour. Okay, all right. Who gonna check my lace? Who gonna check me? Not you, not you, not you. Okay, I'm just gonna use my hot comb to kind of push the front back a little bit. I'm gonna go in with my Ruby Kisses just to match up the lace to my forehead a little bit better. This is a black girl staple. You gotta have this. All right, I don't know if y'all can see, but my husband just brought my lunch and my wig is done, so perfect timing. This is the final look. I hope you guys like it. I absolutely love, 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 love this color. Again, this is called the Bye Bye Knots wig. This is like a really popular form of wig that they're doing now. Lace is already cut for you. It's very simple wear and go type of wig. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I'll leave all of the information in the description box. One last look because this deserves a little bit of commotion. Wow. Yeah, I'll eat a fry to that. My fries are getting cold. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.